Hello, amazing dreamers, and welcome to Tailcrafter English. Right now, you're not just watching a video, you're holding a key to a brighter future. Picture this. You're speaking English fluently, your words flowing like a river, opening doors to new jobs, friendships, and adventures. That life isn't a fantasy, it's yours to claim. But let me ask you something bold. Are you ready to change your future? Do you believe you can? If there's even a tiny spark of yes in your heart, this video will fan it into a flame. Today, we're not just improving your English, we're building a new you. Let's jump in. English isn't just a language, it's a bridge. It connects you to the world. Want to work for a global company? English gets you there. Dream of traveling to London, New York, or Sydney? English makes it real. Want to share your ideas online and inspire millions? English is your voice. But here's the truth. Every time you hesitate, every time you think, I can't do this, you're locking that bridge. You're dimming your own light. I know it's hard. English can feel like a giant puzzle. The words sound strange. The rules confuse you. Maybe you've tried before and felt stuck. Maybe you've thought, I'm not smart enough. But listen closely, you are enough. Right now, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to believe that improving your English will improve your future. Because it will. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine waking up in a world where you speak English with confidence. You're in a meeting, sharing ideas, and everyone listens. You're chatting with friends from across the globe, laughing together. You're writing a post online and people comment, wow, you're inspiring. That world is waiting. And it starts with one small step today. Let me tell you about Alex, a beginner just like you. Alex lived in a small town where English was rarely spoken. He dreamed of becoming a graphic designer for an international company, but his English was weak. He could say hello and thank you, but anything more made him nervous. He'd freeze in conversations, his face red, thinking, I sound stupid. He almost gave up. Then one day, Alex made a decision. He said, I'm not letting English stop me. I'm going to improve no matter what. He didn't have money for classes. He didn't have a teacher. But he had determination. Every day, he watched short English videos, simple ones like cooking tutorials or kids' shows. He'd pause and repeat. Chop the onion. Stir the soup. He felt silly, but he kept going. Alex also started a word jar. Each morning, he'd write 5 new words on slips of paper, words like create, dream, success, and put them in a jar. Throughout the day, he'd pull one out and use it in a sentence. I create art. I dream big. I will find success. At night, he'd read children's books, like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, out loud. His pronunciation wasn't perfect, but he improved a little every day. 9 months later, Alex was different. He could talk about his designs in English. He applied for a job with a company in Canada, and in the interview, he spoke clearly. He made mistakes, but he smiled and kept going. They hired him. Today, Alex works remotely, living his dream, all because he chose to improve his English. He wasn't born special. He was born determined. And so are you. You might be thinking, Alex is great, but I'm too busy. I'm not young anymore. I don't have time. Stop. Those are excuses, and they're stealing your future. Here's the truth. Anyone can learn English. You don't need hours a day. You don't need to be a genius. You need consistency and courage. Think of English like planting a seed. At first, it's just a tiny sprout. You water it a little every day, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. Over time, it grows into a strong tree, giving you shade and fruit. Every word you learn, Every sentence you speak is water for that seed. You're not bad at English. You're just early in your journey. And that's exciting. The best part? You're already ahead. If you know hello, good, or love, you've started. If you're watching this video, you're learning. You're not at zero. You're on your way. All you need is a plan to keep growing. Let's make this real. Here's a beginner-friendly plan to improve your English and your future. It's fun, it's easy, and it works. Follow these steps, and you'll see changes in weeks. Words are your building blocks. Each morning, pick 5 simple words. Write them down, say them out loud, and use them in sentences. For example, word, strong. Sentence, I am strong today. Word, learn. Sentence, I learn English. Practice these words all day. Say them while you shower, eat, or walk. Turn it into a game. In a week, you'll know 35 words. In a month, 150. In a year, over 1,800. Enough to talk about almost anything. Your ears are your secret weapon. Find simple English content. Kids shows like Dora the Explorer, songs like Baby Shark, or beginner podcasts. Don't stress about understanding every word. Just listen. Let the sounds wash over you. Copy the tone, the rhythm. Sing along to songs, even if you mess up. Aim for 10 minutes a day, while you cook, clean, or relax. Your brain will start connecting the dots. Speaking is where dreams come alive. Start small. Talk to yourself. In your room, say, "Hi, I'm your name. I'm learning English. I'm unstoppable." It feels weird, but it builds confidence. Then try describing your day. I eat bread. I go to school. I like to dance. Mistakes? They're your friends. They show you're trying. When you're ready, find a language buddy online. Apps like Italki or Speaky connect you with English speakers. Say, "Hi, I'm new. Let's chat." Start with simple topics. Food, hobbies, dreams. Your voice deserves to be heard. English is about connection. Every week, write a tiny story, 3 sentences. Like, today I see the sun. It is warm. I feel good. Read it aloud. Share it with a friend or post it online. Your story, no matter how small, inspires others. Some days, you'll feel like a rock star. Others, you'll want to quit. That's normal. When you're low, watch Tail Crafter English videos. Listen to stories like Alex's. Remind yourself, you're not just learning English, you're shaping your future. Every step counts. Picture this. It's 3 years from now. You're in a bright office, presenting your ideas in English. Your boss nods, impressed. Or you're traveling, ordering food in a cafe, chatting with locals like old friends. Or you're online, sharing your journey, and someone writes, "You changed my life." That future is yours. But it starts now. Improving your English isn't just about words. It's about belief. It's about saying, "I can do this. I will do this." Every time you learn a word, you're building confidence. Every time you speak, you're building courage. Every time you try, you're building your future. This is it, your moment to shine. English isn't a wall to climb, it's a door to open. And you hold the key. Every word you learn, every sentence you say, unlocks a piece of your potential. You're not just a learner. You're a dreamer, a doer, a world changer. Don't wait. Not for tomorrow. Not for someday. Start today. Learn one word. Sing one line. Speak one sentence. The road won't be smooth, but it will be worth it. I believe in you. Your future believes in you. Go out there, improve your English, and improve your future. You are the key. Unlock your destiny now.